Hallo zusammen, das ist der Crown Cletus oder der Chris. Ich hoffe, es geht euch gut. Ich habe mal überlegt, weil ich die Xbox und PC-Version von Far Cry 3 mittlerweile geholt habe. Ich mache hier mal ein kleines Vergleichsvideo. Das ist das Intro durch die erste Sequenz und dann schnell auf den ersten Funkturm rauf. Ich werde nicht die ganze Zeit etwas erzählen. Es geht mehr darum, dass ihr euch visuell primär selber ein Bild machen könnt. Aber es gibt natürlich ganz klare Unterschiede. Ich meine, der PC hat viel mehr Power, die Xbox ist mittlerweile auch nicht mehr die jüngste und PS3 natürlich auch nicht. Aber ich finde, gerade für das Auto, das sie haben, schliessen sich eigentlich noch gut. Was mir einfach ist aufgefallen bei der Xbox ist, wenn es da oben ziemlich abgeht, dann wird scheinbar die Auflösung gesenkt oder so. Es wird fast ein bisschen pixeliger, bleibt dafür aber noch flüssig. Und beim PC eben, wie gesagt, man hat viel mehr Power. Ich habe es jetzt auf 720p laufen auf dem PC und nicht auf 1080. Ich glaube, dann würde mich auch ein bisschen abgehäkeln, der PC. Aber dafür alle Details auf Ultra. Und gerade beim Wasser und bei den Schatten merkt man es dann auch wieder extrem. Beim Wasser spiegelt sich dann alles auf dem PC und auf der Xbox ist es einfach nur so ein bisschen, ja, es tut schon ein bisschen spiegeln. Dann zum Teil war der PC viel schneller mit Laden natürlich, da habe ich auch das Waiting reingeputzt. Ich habe probiert, so ein bisschen synchron das Zeug zu halten, aber es war nicht ganz so einfach, auch mit synchron spielen und so Stuff. Eine interessante Erfahrung. Ja, was kann ich sonst noch sagen? Uplay ist ja irgendwie so eine Plattform von Ubisoft. Ich bin jetzt das erste Mal dem begegnet, wo ja so wie Xbox Live oder PSN oder halt Steam, aber einfach übergreifend. Das heisst, mit meinem Uplay-Account, den ich jetzt hier machen musste, kann ich mich auf der Xbox einloggen und auch auf dem PC. Und wenn ich dann die Uplay-Achievements schaffe, dann wird es auch von beiden Plattformen zusammenzählen. Was ich eigentlich noch nicht finde, dass es endlich mal etwas Übergreifendes gibt. Hat es aber auch schon gegeben, ist dann genauso schnell wieder verschwunden. Gesamthaft finde ich Far Cry 3 unglaublich genial bisher, wollte aber noch nicht zu viel sagen, muss noch ein bisschen spielen, aber was ich schon erlebt habe, hat mich also ausgezeichnet unterhalten und grafisch ist es für mich die neue Referenz. Vielleicht gibt es bessere Sachen, aber die ganze Natur und wow. Ja, also wirklich wow. Also, tschüss zusammen.
That is crazy. I like this phone. This is a nice fucking phone. So, what do we have here? Grant and Jason from California, huh? Well, I hope your mama and your papa really love you, because you two white boys, you look very expensive, and that's good because I like expensive things. I'm sorry, what did you say? What did you say? Do you want me to slice you open like I did your friend? Shut the fuck up! Okay? I'm the one with the fucking dick. Look at me. Look me in the fucking eye. Hey! You fuck! Look me in the eye. You're my bitch. I rule this fucking kingdom. Shut the fuck up, or you die. What is it, Jason? Jason, what is it? Why aren't you laughing now like you did up there? What, is this not fun anymore? Have I failed to entertain you? You see, the thing is, up there, you thought you had a chance. Way up in the fucking skies, you thought you had your finger on the pussy trigger. But hermano, down here. Down here. You hit the ground. It's okay. I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna relax, because you, Hua, and your tough guy brother, we're gonna have a lot of fun together while we wait for the money.
Stop scaring the hostages. I need you to take care of the rejects.
I just hope that you two pieces of fox are more entertaining than your friends. Ta-ta. Bye-bye. Get you every fucking time, man. Fucker! Are you hurt? I don't think so. We have to find the others. How? I'm working on it. Cold guard. What? Cold guard. Do it.
Hey, over here!
The fuck? Hey, you guys shut the fuck up!
Shit. Holy fuck, he's dead.
That is what they teach you in the army. Follow me.
Jay, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Keep. Come on.
Bullshit's true. Why would I lie about this? You're being a jackass.
The fan out.
And his parents are rich. We'll get more money for him than any of it. The life of a pirate I want.
Shit. Dogs. Hold on, stop.
Shut up!
Stay quiet.
If you're going to give me that kind of food, expect what's coming back at you.
Oh, God.
Grab our stuff and the map. Pick up that phone, too.
Reporting in. Hey, who's on?
Keep moving. Hold up. What? Damn, we need to get him out of our way. Throw a rock over there.
Okay.
Hi.
What the?
Okay, it worked.
Let's move.
Okay. Good. Shit, dude.
Who's that?
Oh, shit, Chris.
What the fuck?
Oh, God. Oh, God. I can't do this, Grant.
Jay, look at me. I can't find Lisa and Riley and the others without you. So pull it together. Okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Right. Find some more.
Oh, my God, there's so many of them.
So there we were, sitting around waiting.
Go.
Quick. Hide in the plants.
Yeah. I'll remind you.
He's going right here.
This is a fucking nightmare, man.
Slide action is
We have to get past him.
Then you can do
Throw a
anything.
rock there.
Then no one can even stop you. When you have that gun, you can put it in and then you can...
All right. Let's go.
Okay. Where are we?
In here.
I'm not afraid. No, please. No, save me, please. I'm not afraid.
Where are we?
We never should have made that jump alone. I promised Dad I'd take care of you two.
Does it say where Riley is?
We're gonna find him. We're gonna free the others, and then we're going home.
No! Stay with me, Grant! Please, don't die! Hold on, Grant, hold on! No!
And I mean, you wanna fuck with me? You wanna fuck?
Grant! Grant!
I like that. No, I respect that. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. And if this jungle doesn't eat you up alive, I will. Fucking death! I said, get the fuck out of here, you chicken fuck! Run, Forrest! Run!
Fuck! Shit! Shit, no, no! Oh! No, no, no! Oh! I gotta get out of here. I have to find Riley and the others. Please let them be alive. Oh!
You're dead! I found him!
Shit, oh God.
They found me!
Speaks to the warrior. The path leads to the heart of the jungle. Follow the path, and you will find the answer.
Where am I? What the hell?
You are awake. Well, not all of you. The arm has been deadened to allow for the Tatau. It is brave to swim a storm, but to sunbathe on a beach with pirates, insanity.
You have the right to take my life. But no, I will also take yours. I am Dennis.
Jason.
Mangao. Lava lava. The heron, the shark, and the spider. I know who you are, Jason. You are a warrior. And the tatau will allow for you to reveal your true self.
Listen, my older brother has been killed. I need to find my younger brother and 4 other friends.
Come with me.
So you'll help me?
No, you can only help yourself. I'm going to free you.
How did I get here?
I found you on the beach. Welcome to Amanaki village. It is something, isn't it, huh? Delamat, Tengahari. I have Jess and Brody with me. The man who escaped Vas Camp alive. Your escape is a sign that the battle has turned. Our people are in need of good news.
So, these are your people?
The island calls to the strongest. They called to me. The island dwellers, the Rakyat, accepted. And I became a member of their tribe. They are something, aren't they?
Beautiful, most definitely.
I could have anyone I choose. But my will is set on one woman. Here. Cash for weapons.
Oh.
You want to save your brother, right?
I've never shot anyone before.
What do they say in America? There's a first time for everything.
That must be the radio tower. Don't look down.
Nice ride, huh?
It's done.
Good. Show me a map.